Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to draft a shawl collar, and this is what I mean by a shawl collar. So let me just do a little introduction. There are three types of collars, right? Basically, so this is one. This is a peak lapel, and then this is a notch lapel, right? This is a notch lapel, and then the third type of collar is this type, which is the shawl collar. So basically, these are the three types of collars. Of course, there are um other styles that can come into play, but basically these are the three types of collars we have, right? So this is the type of collar I'm going to teach you today, a shawl collar, how to draft this particular type of collar, a shawl collar. Okay, so just stick with me to the end. If you've not subscribed to my channel, guys, please just hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I've already drawn a major part of the drafting, and the reason why I've done this is because I believe if you've been following my channel, you've already known how I got to this point. If you've not, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video of how I draft a complete suit. So if you know how to draft a complete suit, you'll be able to know how I got to this place. Okay, so I'm just going to draw the tummy line. Again, if you don't know what a tummy line is, that means you've not been following my channel. I have free tutorials on how to cut a suit in my channel. Just go and watch it. Hit the link in the description so that you watch it. So I just go ahead and draw my armhole. Just complete the armhole with all my markings. Again, guys, please just go and watch the videos in my channel. If you are confused at this point, you shouldn't be confused because I've done an elaborate tutorial on how to draft a complete suit, so you should go and watch it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark the normal 3/4 inches here. That is the folding of my lapel, 3/4 inches. Guys, if anything I'm saying is strange to you, please go and watch the tutorial on how to draft a suit and then come back and watch this. Okay, so I'm going to just draw my slant, and of course all this has measurements. Okay, so you can see if I was doing a normal peak lapel or a notch lapel, this is how it's going to be. But what we are doing today is a shawl collar. Okay, so on this part I'm going to measure 1/4 inch behind this our neckline. You see it, 1/4 inch behind this our neckline. This 1/4 is very important. Okay, so I'm just going to extend this my lapel folding line, and then I'm going to draw that 1/4 inch upwards. So at the end of the day, you're going to have these two lines that are parallel to each other, and the distance of the line should be 1 inch. And guys, before I started drafting, I left 5 inches above my drafting line. So that 5 inch at the top is very important. It shouldn't be less than 5 inch. It should be at least 5 inch. So I left it at the top before I started drafting. That is very important. So that's why I left the line, so that we're going to have an extension at the top. Okay, now guys, I'm just going to put a paper at this point like this to explain something to you. Now if I want my lapel, you can see some lapels are very big, some short collars lapel are very big. So before drafting, you're going to leave space in front of your box frame so that you are going to have space to do your styling. Okay, so at this point, you are going to measure at least between 3.5 or 4 inches. Depends on how far you want your collar to be at the back. I usually use 3.5 or 4. Yeah, so you can see the use of the extension you leave at the front before you, just like you leave 5 inches at the top, you also leave few inches at the front of your drafting before you start doing your box frame. So that is the use of this 5 inch at the top, and then the use of also these inches at the front here. Remember guys, 5 inches here, and then when you are from that neckline you put 1/4 inch, and then you roll the line which is parallel to this lapel folding line. You can see it like so at the end of the day, the distance between that 1/4 inch line and then the lapel folding line should be 1 inch, right? So for the sake of this tutorial, since I didn't leave any inches in front of my box frame, so I'm just going to remove this paper, and then I'll just cut what we have, and then we will see what I mean. So I'll just cut it out like this. So this is another style of shawl collar. Well, this is the should I say the normal shawl collar that is just straightforward. There's no curve. There is no. It's not big. It's just slim and straight to the point. This is how the normal short collar is cut. You can see it. There's no styling in this part. You don't in this type of short collar. You don't need to leave any inches at the front. You can see it. It's just slim and beautiful. So you can see when you are folding your shawl collar, make sure you fold on that line, that folding line. If not, it's going to look puffed somehow when you are done with it. So you can see it. So imagine we left a big space at the front. This is how the styling will be, or curved like this, or something like this. You get? In fact, there are other lapel that will go down like this and then come up. All depends on how you want it to be. All you need to do anyway is to leave few inches at the front of your box frame before you start. So this is how our short collar is going to be. You can see it. So when you do this, you're just going to use your ruler to draw a straight line like this. You can see it. Make sure it's straight. It's not curved. If not, your collar will not be balanced at the back. Draw a straight line like this, and then you cut it out. There you go. So at the end of the day, your extension of this your lapel extension might be bigger than your collar of the back. So when you get to the fixing it to the back, that's when you're fixing the front pattern to the back pattern, you are going to do the measurement there. If you don't know how to sew each lapel collar, I have a course on how to sew a lapel collar. You might want to register for it. I'm going to leave my number in the description of this video. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp and make inquiries on the course of how to sew this lapel. So this is just the drafting. If you want to learn how to sew it, you can register for the course. A very comprehensive course, how to sew it step by step. You register for it and you see how to sew it. It's actually easier than you think. So guys, this is it. This is how to draft a shawl lapel suit. You can see it is so easy, guys. So again, like I said, if you don't know how got to this point, you should watch my previous videos on how to draft a suit. The link is in the description of this video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for sticking to the end of this tutorial. If you have a question, leave a question in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a great day.